Rolling. Rolling.
Oh. Hey guys, Sean with Long on Honeymoon. Today we're taking a look at a portable grill. Many of you have asked what grill we recommend taking with you on the road when you go RV camping. We've had a great experience with the WEBER. Our original WEBER was called a Baby Q, and it's the equivalent of a Q1000. As you go up in the number range, you add features, and this is actually a Q1200, okay? But it's the same basic design that we started with a long time ago. This is the replacement for our old grill, which recently died an untimely death after a good decade of solid service. First of all, when you look at this thing, it's been really elegantly designed, I think. Just the lines, the build quality, it's solid. I mean, these things are really built to last, and I think we can vouch for that because we got so much life out of our previous unit. The main features that the step up in the model range gets you are these fold-out side shelves. If you have your grill setting on a small table, then you have sort of additional table space out to the side of the grill. So it's actually a pretty nice feature. The other nice feature of the Q1200 is the thermometer that's built into the top, because you can watch and instantly tell how hot your grill is getting. And this grill does get very hot. In fact, you crank it up to high and the temperature is gonna quickly climb over 400 degrees. So the built-in thermometer is a big plus, and I think it really merits the upgrade because you really appreciate that every single time you use the grill. It is, of course, propane powered, and back here to the right, you'll see where you can screw in a propane tank. Now, WEBER has corrected the big design mistake they made with the original Baby Q, and originally you could only use the 14-ounce size skinny propane tanks. Now you can use the fatter green 16-ounce propane tanks that you typically find in most RV and camping stores. The bigger tank will fit this grill, but it's a bit of a tight squeeze. These grills feature an electric igniter, you'll see here on the left, and push button igniter. You can hear it. If I push it, you can hear it trying to ignite. Really nice. You've got a nice non-stick cooking surface that is pretty substantial in size. I've been told you can fit probably 8 hamburgers on this grill. Over here to the right, you can see the control dial where you can dial up the propane. So we'll set it on high/start, and I'm just gonna push the igniter, and you heard it fire right up. And it gets hot evenly and quickly. All right, guys, we have here a piece of juicy tofu. There's a removable drip pan, so it'll collect some of your mess, and you can actually buy extra little aluminum pans to fit in here and collect your drippings. And these are available in multiple colors. The wife wanted blue to match our Airstream awning, of course, so made the wife happy, got blue. Very smart, right? WEBER makes a number of accessories for these grills. You can get actually a cart, so you can put your grill on a cart and kind of roll it around your campsite if you want, or use the grill at home on your back patio in that fashion. To me, it's as nice as a lot of larger grills. It's just a small portable package that doesn't take up too much space. I mean, we typically store this thing in the bed of our truck Seymour when we're out traveling around. It's not the cheapest grill on the market. This one costs about 200 bucks, but I do think it's worth it. If you wanted to spend a little less, you could get the Q1000. The Q1000 does not have the fold-out storage on either side, and it does not have the thermometer on top. So that's it, guys, a look at the WEBER Q1200 portable grill for RV camping. Until next time, I'm Sean. This is Long Honeymoon, where we say, lo ho. Today we're reviewing yet another great RVing product. Today the frogs and I will be reviewing the WEBER BBQ grill. Now, it's time to light our grill. This little push button starter. Woo! How's that for a special effect? It's certainly perfect for 2 people or a small family. You might not open a restaurant with it, but
Rolling.